Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So this is the your tutor. All right, so let's move on. We are going to use this website Lumen5.com. It's a very creative website, just like Canva, but it's more advanced than Canva. That is it only based on video. All right, and you can share the video. It has a free copyright. You can share the video on any platform of social media. So now I'm going to, since you are looking at this video, these are video that I've created on Lumen5, and I've collected the money out. Okay, so now let's go on. So if you're on, the first thing to show is this, but if you just want only new video, so what you have to do is that click on new video. Okay, once you click on new video, it take you up here. So remember to register so that your video can just save like that my own, so you can use that template for another person. Okay, so once you click on that plus sign, it take you to new video where you can create new video. So we have this series type of things. We have use your blog, use your scripts. So I usually to follow use my scripts. Okay, so you can use your blog. So this is what we call if what we are very constant with freelance. You can see some people will post that you should use your convert blog to videos. So this is what we call blog. So just enter the website, copy the blog, and it converts it to video. All right, we are going to use script here very fast. So I'm going to be fast. So let me just say hello, welcome to welcome to your buffer channel. All right, so I'm going to teach you on how to make money. So now you can see once I complete a sentence or a statement, I put a full stop to it, and I use space here to bring it down. You understand? So once you are done, you click on go. All right, these are different size that we have dimension, but the common dimensions and the one I would recommend for you is to use 16:1, which is YouTube own. 16:9, 16:9. So you can see just like a like that looks like a news video surely. So now we have this classic. These are how the typography will be. How do you want it to be? Should it show like this or should it show like this? Any aspect you want to shoot you. So I'm going to just use this smart one. You can choose any aspect actually. So I'm going to use the smart one. Once I click on it, program my video out. This is a very good website actually. All right, let's move on. I hope you are copying. Okay, these are my texts here. Hello, welcome to About From channel. I'm going to teach you on how to make money. I should put video about. Okay, to our truth. So video AI as you. Okay, these are AI video like text I posted. So it has drafted some video out. You can see hello, welcome to my channel. You can see something like subscribe there. So in this video I can change it. You understand? So you can see something beside it. Now this thing is showing that I'm on this screen, just like page by page on Canva that I teach you. That is how it is here, just like page by page, and this is one page, this is second page. If you want to add another, once you get here, it shows things like this plus, you can click on and then add another one. I hope you are following me. Okay, now the next thing, that if you want to change this video, maybe you don't like it or the AI has do you wrong, so what you do is just click the medium. Once you click the media, you can search anything here. You can search anything here that you want to change it to, or you upload. Okay, or you use the recent one. So once you search it here, it shows millions of videos, so you just choose anyone. I think you have free. Most of them are free actually. Okay, so then you can choose on music. These music are general for all of them. Okay, so you can choose for music. We have the sky, the way the text come up, you can choose it too. Maybe you want the way the text come up. Okay, the way the text come up, you can see the color of the text, but I'm just going to leave it like this, the yellow and stuff. So you can also choose anyone. So let me just choose this one and see how it will do. So you can see the way the coming up be. the background and what cover it. Okay, so that's how the text will show. Let me choose this white, yellow and black. Okay, let's choose white, yellow and black. Then we have the primary, secondary, all these things. So we can even see custom theme is only advisable for pro. It's only available for pro. That's when you join the pro. So you can see to remove the watermark, I'm going to teach you to. So we have the format. Let me add a video music. You can add any music to it. Let's use just the natural music they give to us here. Then apart from that, you can see formats. Okay, so all right, on this format, we have even choose the format before we started, as the size and the dimensions of the video. So now let's go to this one. So if you want to change any text, you click on the text, you can change it actually. So let's go to our story up here and go to this side. Then once you go to this side, you can see this. You can see these two things are doubling, but it's not on this one again. Once you shift it here, and you see that it's on only on this side. Okay, so once you are done with it, so you can click on show outro. This show outro. If you like, you can put your logo there. Okay, so this is share this video. So you can put your logo here to show outro. That outro means the one at the end of the video. So you can put your logo there. So once you put your logo there, show it, and then you can put your picture there. But I'm not going to put anything. Let me just hide it. So I hide the outro. So after that, you click on publish. Okay, you can preview. Then you can also use record your own voiceover on each stream. So you click on publish. So once you click on publish, your video is ready to be rendered and then ready to be downloaded. So once you click on that, it takes you to where you complete everything. I think you can create 5 video per month on the free plan. I think it should be more than that because I created more than that per month. So just try it out. So my video upgrade to remove one. So once it shows, just click on load. Alright, so I'll be downloading like that. So do you want to download again? I think you should download it. So and that's how you play. So you can see the motion. Let me just play it. There you. So you can see it. Very creative. So we are going to remove this watermark now. Let's go on. So we are going to use InShots.